Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Vikash. I hope you guys are enjoying your time with your friends and family. And in today's lecture, also, we are just going to talk about how can we improve the English, and that's what we want. We really need to learn, and we really need to maintain a particular consistency so that we can keep speaking. The thing is that we just leave speaking. We learn something today, and then we skip one day, 2 days, 3 days, just like that. We need to learn that how can we take the classes, how can we learn, how can we listen, how can we read, how can we speak the things on the daily basis. And that's what we are going to do today. In today's lecture, there are some questions. As you can see, I have written 3 questions. So we are going to convert some questions. It will be listening practice, writing practice, and understanding practice. Okay. So in today's lecture, you need to listen to me what I'm saying. You need to listen to me patiently because we are doing listening practice as well as we are doing understanding practice. You need to understand what questions I have written and how I'm going to give the answer to these questions. You need to understand this, that what's the question and how I'm going to give the answer. And the same thing you need to apply. You can also write down the answer of these questions and you can see if you have written the right answer. And the main thing is that we need to learn how. We don't need to we just not need to understand that what's the right answer. We need to talk that how the answer can be better. Okay, how can we give the better answer? So that's the first question. I hope I'm able to make you understand. For any question, you just can comment down and let's come to the question. So as you can see, the first question, wait for a second. As you can see, the first question is, do you try to speak English? Do you try to speak English? Okay, क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं? Do you try to speak English? तो अगर मैं कोशिश करता हूं, अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं तो आप कहेंगे I try to speak English. I try to speak English. और अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करते तो आप कहेंगे I don't try to speak English. I don't try to speak English. For the beginners, the students who are weak in speaking English, they must write down the answers of these questions so that they can understand the things better. Okay, so the first one question, do you try to speak English? English बोलने की कोशिश करते हो? तो अगर आप करते हैं, so I try to speak English. और अगर आप नहीं करते, I don't try to speak English. Let's come to the next one question. The next one question is, why are you learning English? It's really smart questions by the smart person. Why are you learning English? Simple means when we ask the question using why, it means I want to know the reason or the purpose of the work. When I ask you the question with why, it means I want to ask the purpose or the reason of the work. It means why are you learning English? When I ask you this question, why are you learning English? It means you need to tell me what's the reason of the work or what's the purpose of the work. So suppose I'm saying, so you can say I'm learning English to get a job, or I'm learning English to earn money, or I'm learning English to improve myself. My English is weak, therefore I'm learning English, and I'm facing difficulties to get a job, therefore I'm learning English. So there can be so many answers to give. I'm just giving you a hint. I'm just asking a question, and I'm just giving you multiple answers so that you can understand what answers you can give. And you can choose the answer according to your choice. Okay, so this is the why are you learning? You can also write down the answers of this question. Why are you learning English? What do you want to become? The next one question is, what do you want to become? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? What do you want to become? So easy answer, I want to become a successful person. I want to become a successful person. अगर एक सफल इंसान बनना है, so I want to become a successful. You can see I'm repeating my answers. You can try it on. I'm just trying to repeat what I'm saying, and that's what you need to do. You also try to repeat one answer twice or thrice. The number is not fixed. You can speak 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Depends, until you feel comfortable. Until you feel comfortable, you just need to give the answer. So as what do you want to become? I want to become a successful person in my life. or we can say I want to become engineer, I want to become a doctor, I want to become there can be many answers, as I'm saying, so I'm not getting the idea right now. So this is the three questions. So let's come to the next one question. The next one question is, why do you want to become a rich person? I hope I'm able to make you understand these things. Things are really important. Just try to understand what I'm saying, and try when you listen to me. So automatically you will start understanding what I'm saying and what sequence I'm just trying to say. It's all about understanding. If you start understanding the language, you'll start speaking, writing, listening. Everything will be really simple for you. So the question is, why do you want to become a rich person? आप एक अमीर इंसान क्यों बनना चाहते हैं? Can you answer this question? चलो मैं आप लोगों से पूछता हूँ. Why do you want to become a rich person? क्या आप let me just read. आप एक अमीर इंसान क्यों बनना चाहते हो? बताओ मेरे को. So easy answers like I can say, I want to become a rich person so that I can do whatever I want. I want to become a rich person so that I can travel the world. I want to become a rich person so that I can buy a house for my family. I want to become a rich person so that I can provide happiness. I can make my family happy. There can be so many answers of this question. You need to find out your answer. What do you want to say? You need to find out. If somebody asks you these questions, how will you answer it? If somebody asks you why do you want to become a rich person? And these kind of answers these kind of questions are asked in the interview as well. So if you just try to focus, if you just try to speak these things, it will really help you and boost the communication. The next one is, do you think money brings happiness? Do you think money brings happiness? So yeah, I think money brings happiness. क्या the meaning of the question is, क्या आपको लगता है कि पैसों से खुशियां आती हैं? That's the meaning of this question. Do you think money brings happiness? So yes, I think money brings happiness because money gives you freedom, money gives you power to do anything, to buy anything, to go anywhere, and to dominate anyone. So I think money really brings happiness. You can do whatever you want to do with the money. So that's what my answer is. Can a person be happy without money? क्या एक इंसान पैसों के बिना खुश रह सकता है? तो हाँ, रह सकता है ना? A person can be happy without money. It's my personal answer. Maybe your answers are totally different from me. Maybe, but my answer is, a person can be happy without money. एक इंसान पैसों के बगैर भी खुश रह सकता है. Because what I think that happiness is a choice. Making money is an option. Like if you want to make money, you need to do hard work, and you need to do the job. You need to learn the things in your field. But it's not about happiness. If you want to be happy, you can be happy like traveling and wandering with the friends, talking with the friends. I think happiness is an option. You can be happy even if you have nothing. In childhood, when we spend time with the friends, as like right now when I travel with my friends, I don't have money too much, my friends don't have money too much, still we are happy, we are enjoying the time. So I really think happiness is a choice. And I think if somebody asks me this question, that can a person be happy without money, so I can say yes, he can be happy without money. So that's my answer. And these are the things. Just keep revising, keep listening, and try to maintain the consistency. Taking one class, taking one lecture will not help you, but taking the lectures on regular basis will surely help you to understand and to boost the confidence. So these are the things. Learn the English. For any question, if you get any question regarding what I'm teaching, how I'm teaching, you just can give me the feedback. I'm really new to these things. I'm not in the habit of making the videos. I'm trying to make the videos. If you really like the way I teach, please comment down, make a comment, and like the video, share the video with friends, and subscribe to English with Vikash.